Good morning everyone. This is Shikha Rajput and today I am going to deliver lecture on element of design. So what are element of design? When we talk about element of design, these are the language through which we can represent the visual art. For example, if I want to talk with someone, I need some things like words, sentences, expressions. So just like this, for developing any visual art or design, we need some things or elements, and these elements are like there are 7 type of basic elements through we can create any design or visual art. uh, First is line, shape, form, space, textures, value and color, right? Okay, now come to the line. Line is the most basic and the important part of element of design. Without line we can't create anything. Lines can be zigzag, wavy, dashed, dotted, thick, vertical, horizontal or diagonal, right? Okay, now come to the next point is shape. Shapes are two-dimensional area. When we join two lines, we get any shape. We get a shape, right? Like shapes can be geometrical and abstract both, right? Geometrical is like circle, rectangle, or free form, like abstract, right? Okay, now come to the form. Form refers to the three-dimensional area. For composition of any art 2D and 3D, shapes are very important. Like cubes, cylindricals, prisms. Space. Space refers to the curves between forms, shapes, and lines. It gives a perspective, dimensions, and the volume to the composition. Shapes can be positive and negative both, and it plays very important role to element of design. Fine. Okay, now come to the textures. Textures is like how object feels when it is touched, or how it may feel if it is touched. Fine. Textures are two type of textures there. Like one is textile textures and the other is visual texture. Textile textures refers to the texture which is actual surface of uh, thing, fine. And the visual textures, it appears to look through vision. It appears to look through vision, fine. And the textures can be smooth, rough, bumpy, soft, woven and many, fine. Okay, now come to the color. Color creates more interest, emphasis or highlight